So why is becoming an electrician so popular? Well, one, you've got job security, and electricians, they're always in demand, whether it's domestic, industrial or commercial. And two, you've got such a diverse opportunities. Being an electrician, you can go into doing CCTV, you can go into doing security, you can do commercial, industrial, or you can even go into renewable energies, which is quite popular at the moment. Number three, being an electrician, it requires a specific skill set. And it's a skill set that develops more and more over time. Like smart switches, when they come out, you've got to learn all about them and the smart technology. Number four is there's an apprenticeship to be an electrician. You can start out straight out of college to become and train as an electrician, and you can get paid whilst doing it. Number five, well, let's be honest, I think electricians get paid the most out of all trades. Brickers, yeah, they work hard. You don't want to carry around bricks all day. Taking out a bit of wire, it's a bit more light work. You can do that for a lot longer in your life. Painters, I think anyone can do a lick of paint. Plumbers, it's not really dangerous. Just put your finger over a pipe and you stop the water from flowing. Well, that's the job fixed. I've just learned how to be a plumber. Number six is because it's always advancing. Just lately, I've been invited on a course to be able to go up one of these wind turbines and see how they work. I'm not going to be installing wind turbines, but it'd be interesting to know. And number seven, there's career development opportunities. If you're an electrician, you can go into project managing and stuff like that for a site. There's a lot of opportunities for electricians once you get qualified. And number eight, everything's going electric these days. One day, sooner or later, they will get rid of gas boilers. I'm not sure what the plumbers are going to do then. Maybe retrain to be an electrician. Number nine, how focused is everyone on the green energy? Saving energy, making the world a better place. Well, with all these wind turbines and solar panels, they're what helping the world be a better place. And electricians are the ones that install these. And number 10, you can start your own business. You can be an electrician and start your own business relatively easy. Whether you work in industrial, commercial or domestic, you can specialise in any area. And just to top it off, I've run out of fingers, so number 11, you can be an electrician anywhere, whether it's a cold environment, a hot environment, or not many people around in that environment. There's always going to be a need for an electrician.